Hey guys, so today we're gonna make fluffy slime. So this is the previous one I already made. So let's get on to the video. So this is what you need. One glue, some borax, and some warm water, shaving cream, body wash. It's just like for making the slime smooth. And 2 spoons, coloring is optional, and a bowl. So let's get started with our slime. So first what you need is glue. I just got 2 bottles because I just have some in this clear glue. So trying to... Okay, that's it. So then we're going to have our, let's get our shaving cream. This one, shaving cream, really hard to open. I'm gonna get some out. Really hard. I guess that's enough for now. Maybe later we need some. And some body wash. And some food coloring right now. I'm gonna use this red. I'm going to try to make it as pink. Okay, that's enough because I'm gonna make it pink. So I'm gonna mix it as well as I can. Yay, it's making pink or rose. So I am actually gonna put some more glue in it. So I'm gonna put this glue, white glue, right now. Now that is better. If I want, I can use it later. So I'm going to, I actually need some more glue to make it good. Okay, it's better. So right now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so I'm going to add some water, some warm water. I really gotta add this a little bit. How I added too much. Fine. I really gotta add this really in small amount. So the consistency, this have to be like this. And I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna go to my activator. So you need some borax for this. I'm gonna add some borax to this. And I'm going to mix it well until it dissolves. That's the main part. Some on my hand. So I'm just trying to mix it as well as I can. How much ever the water is warm, that much the borax will dissolve faster and quick. So I guess mine dissolved. I guess so. So I'm gonna add my activator little by little to my glue. So I'm just gonna mix it one more time. And I'm just going to get some little by little. Because we don't know how much activator we need for this slime. We don't need that much. But still, just gonna add it little by little. Just like that. I'm gonna add some more of it. You can see that. So, okay. And I guess that's enough. And I guess we need need some more activator. I'm just gonna try to pull a little bit. Okay, it's getting a slime. So as you can see, it's still glue. Maybe I need to add some more. So I guess that's what you need, because I think I added too much to it. Okay. So as you can see, it's turning into a slime like that. Oh my god, it's really hard. You can see that, right? I guess so. So I guess I can't go with my hands. So I'm just gonna add a little more of it. That's enough, I guess so. So maybe right now I can go in with my hands. Let me keep this spoon aside. Okay. It's getting into a slime. Wow, it's fluffy.